Now, for today's agenda, I just want to call up our chairman, Honorable Larry Maggi, to get you started. Thank you all.
Okay. Thanks, Jim. And Jim made sure I had lots of paperwork here, so bear with me. First of all, welcome to Washington County. My colleague, Commissioner Harlan Schober, and Commissioner Ari Vaughn couldn't be here, but her daughter's here on a couple of roles, so Victoria. So we welcome you to Washington County. But most importantly, I'm very excited about this, and we'll touch on it a little bit later. Welcome to Cal U. Harvard on the Mon, it used to be called, but we'd like to welcome everybody down here. Very proud that SPC allowed me to choose this place to do what we're doing today, because we're really going to talk about some important topics today. But I was going to start mentioning some graduates. I know Tony Amadeo graduated. I know Dave Coder has some money invested here with some kids. And how many Cal grads are we have in here today? Raise their hands. Let's see. Okay. And how many of you spent money here sending kids here? We'd like to see that, don't we, President Jones? But, well, we wanted to show off California a little bit. We wanted to show what we had to offer down here. This is the southeastern corner of Washington County. We'd like to welcome all SPC member counties here. We actually are within stone throw of, I believe, 4 counties. We've got Greene County down the river, Fayette across the street, and Westmoreland just up the river. So we're very right in the middle of the heart of what's going on in Washington County. We also, as you notice, we have a train running up and down the river. We got a river with barge traffic. And yes, Executive Fitzgerald, we have a great highway coming down, the Mon-Fayette Expressway coming down. Where is Rich? We were talking about that. Oh, okay. But we were glad we made sure he had a nice escort down here and get through all that traffic. But we have it all here in California. But we'd like to welcome everybody because the staff has prepared a pretty good agenda today. We don't have a policy advisory committee members and several other friends and partner organizations in economic development who go back a long way. We do have a number of great speakers going to talk about very pertinent and important events of what's been going on the last couple of weeks about autonomous vehicles and other interesting topics. Some of them, for example, are Doug Hoyt from Pittsburgh today. We have Eric Zimmerman from Washington yesterday, and we have William Murdoch from Columbus to Pittsburgh in just 14 minutes tomorrow. We also have our good friends from PennDOT. We have like Deputy Secretary Ritzman, and from the Appalachian Regional Council Commission, we have Mark DeFalco, as well as local experts such as Petra Mitchell, and we have Stan Caldwell also, who many of you know. Their impressive bios are in your material, and we will hear from them all shortly. But I'd like to introduce for an official welcome someone who I've known for a long time. I've been an acquaintance for a long time, and I didn't realize she has been associated with this university for over 50 years. She came on this university in the fall of 1968 as a incoming freshman, and she literally came from across the river. You know, some universities travel the world to look for their new presidents. Cal was lucky. All we had to do was go across the Mon River to get our president. We're very proud of this young lady who is our president. She was an interim president for over 4 years. A couple years ago, I believe April 2016, she was approved by PASHE, Board of Governors, and we're very proud. She's been a local lady. She's worked in the community. She worked as a second grade teacher. She's been at this university for a lot of years. She came up through the trenches. She's been involved in every aspect of what California is about. And as you get to see, I've had a lot of comments. We're really proud when I came in here. A lot of folks hadn't been here for a while, and they said, "Wow, what a change this university is." And it is. It has changed. The topography, the physical plants, and we're very proud of it. We wanted to show it off today. And